In this question, you have to identify that artificial selection to obtain cows yielding higher milk outputs represents what type of selection? Option A, directional selection, as it pushes the mean of the character in one direction. Now, artificial selection for cows yielding higher milk output is indeed an example of directional selection because this process favors individuals with only higher milk yield, shifting the population mean in the direction of increased milk production over generations. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, disruptive selection, as it splits the population into two, one yielding higher output and the other lower output. This is incorrect because disruptive selection occurs when individuals with extreme traits on both ends of the spectrum are favored, leading to the splitting of the population. So in this case, as only higher milk yielding cows are being selected, so there is no splitting of the population. Option C, stabilizing selection followed by disruptive, as it stabilizes the population to produce higher yielding cows. This is also incorrect. Now, stabilizing selection reduces variability and favors only the intermediate traits. So, this scenario describes a consistent shift towards a single extreme, that is higher milk production, and not stabilization or a later disruption. Option D, stabilizing selection at its stabilizes this character in the population. It is also incorrect because stabilizing selection eliminates the extremes and favors the average trait value. But in this case, the selection is actively using the milk with the higher yield. So it is towards the higher extreme. Now, which is the characteristic of directional selection?